Here I have INTEX Cloud Fame, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use here the apps icon right here. Then you need to scroll down and simply find and select settings. Here you have to choose the display. So here I have display. And as you can see here, you can tap on wallpaper, and here you can choose the gallery, live wallpapers, photos, or simply wallpapers from system. So let me choose system wallpapers, the last option. And here you can use the wallpaper from the following list. For example, in my case, let me use the following one, tap set wallpaper. And now, as you can see, you just change your wallpaper. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.